Now let's draw the medians in this triangle. A triangle RST is a right triangle. It has one right angle. First median, from vertex R to the midpoint of the opposite side ST. From vertex R to the midpoint of the opposite side ST. Let's find the measure of ST. ST equals 9 centimeters. The half of 9 is 4.5. So the midpoint is here. Now with the centimeter ruler, join vertex R and the midpoint of ST. This is the first median. Second median, from vertex T to the midpoint of RS. From vertex T to the midpoint of the opposite side RS. We change the color and we should measure RS. Let's find the length of RS. RS equals 6 centimeters. The half of 6 is 3. So the midpoint is here. Now with the centimeter ruler, join vertex T and the midpoint of RS. This is the second median. The third median, from vertex S to the midpoint of RT. From vertex S to the midpoint of RT. Let's measure RT. The length of RT is 7 centimeters and the half of 7 is 3.5. So the midpoint will be here. Now with the centimeter ruler, join vertex S and the midpoint of the opposite side. The first question is, where did the medians meet in this triangle? Yes, the medians meet at the same point inside the triangle. So, the centroid of a right triangle is inside the triangle. Now, where did the medians meet in each triangle? The centroid of an acute triangle is inside the triangle. The centroid of an obtuse triangle is inside the triangle. And the centroid of a right triangle is inside the triangle. So the medians meet at the same point inside the triangle.